Hello students. Today in this session we will discuss one more lab program, that is ATM transaction. Okay. We will take a new file, right click on the project, new Python file. Okay. So in part A, fourth program, BCA underscore lab. Okay. So this is the fourth lab program which we are going to discuss, right? So here initially we'll just comment the line. The program is ATM transaction, ATM transactions, right? Right. So initially I will take a variable, that is amount equal to 1000. Okay. Initially variable amount will have 1000. So always we think that initially while opening the bank account we need to deposit the 500 or 1000. Okay, depends on the account type. Okay, so uh, what he has asked is ATM transaction. Okay, ATM transaction has different. We can deposit, we can withdraw, we can print the, we can check the balance. Okay, right. So all these things we can do in an ATM machine. So the same thing we will try to code here, right? So we will first tell the user with a menu what are the different transactions he can do. Okay, so this should be always true, right? So it should always be true. So I am using while one. So while one means while true. I am using while for infinite. So infinitely this menu will be printed. Okay. So whenever he wants, he can choose an option to exit. Right. So we'll use print followed by some message. Okay. Welcome to ATM. Right. After that, I will give different transaction which he can carry out, right? One, okay. So one for, I will give one for balance inquiry, okay. One for balance inquiry. Then again one more print statement. I will give this for withdrawal, right? Withdrawals, withdraw. I will give withdraw, right? Then print one more statement, that is option 3. Okay, so the third option I will give deposit. Okay, the third option deposit. Okay, next the last option will be, I have completed all the options, so the fourth option will be exit, right? So these are the four options. So after these four options I need to ask the user, I need to ask the user which option he is opting. So I need to take input from the user. I need to take the input choice among 1, 2, 3, 4 menu what I have given above. So I will take an input. I will use ch int. Okay, we have already worked on this int and input function. Okay, so input, I will give a message, enter the choice, right? So the user will input the choice, okay, among 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 for balance inquiry, 2 for withdrawal, 3 for deposit, 4 for exit, right? Then after giving the input will be stored in ch. I will catch the input with the help of if statement, right? If ch equal to 1, okay, colon, okay, if ch equal to 1, then I will print, okay, print balance inquiry, okay, or balance is, okay, balance is, right, comma, separated and amount. So initially, what is the amount? It will be printed as it is. Okay. Else, if his choice was not one, okay. So if the user's choice was one, then it will print the balance. Okay. Balance amount is updated whenever the user deposit or withdraw money. Okay, if his option was something else, if we give other than one, it we have 2, 3, 4 also, right? We need to catch that also. Else if, right, ch equal to 2, okay, if it matches 2. Okay, 2 is for withdraw. So I need to withdraw. So withdraw means first we need to check how much amount he wants to withdraw, right? So I need to ask the user to the amount, how much he needs to withdraw. So in input, I will ask the user enter the amount, enter the amount to withdraw, right? Then after he enters the amount, say if I enter 500, okay, so 500 will be stored in withdraw variable, okay. If I need to check if withdraw percentage 100 not equal to 0, okay, so you can't withdraw 100%, right? So there should be some amount, so I'm checking the amount. So what are the denominations? Okay, so it will ask, okay, what are the denominations you need? You need multiples of 100, you need multiples of 200, or do you need multiples of 500? Okay, so here I am checking if withdraw percentage 100 not equal to 0, then print enter enter the amount in multiples of 100. Okay, so it is checking if it is in the multiples of 100 or not. Okay, so then if else if withdraw is greater than amount minus 500, will make 500, right? So if it matches, if the withdrawal amount is greater than 500, so we have 1000. Okay, so if I withdraw, I can't make the account nil, I can't make it zero, so some amount should be there, so I'm checking that condition here. Okay, withdraw is greater than amount minus 500, right? Then it should display some message. Okay, so I will give insufficient balance, right? So you can't withdraw the whole amount, right? Then else, else, okay, if that is not the case, I will give amount equal to amount minus withdraw, right? Yes. Okay, then I will print after withdrawing remaining balance. Okay, is remaining balance is, you can use comma operator and give amount. So this will give, after withdrawal, it will give the remaining balance, how much we have in our account, right? After this, okay, this is for second choice. Okay, else if the choice was 3, okay, what we will do, the choice 3 is deposit. Okay, so what we need to do when we are depositing some amount into our account, bank account, we need to enter how much money we are depositing. So again we need to ask the user what is the deposit amount. Okay, so deposit will be the variable. Okay, I need to take input. Okay, inside I will give a statement, enter the amount to deposit, right? So you will enter the amount. Okay, you will enter the amount that will be stored in the variable deposit. Okay, after he enters the amount, I will check again the same thing. If deposit is in percentage 100 not equal to 0, then print, enter the amount in multiples of 100, right? This is a small message. You can leave this if you want to reduce the lines of this program, right? So just give multiples of hundreds, right? Multiples of 100. That's enough. Okay. After this, if that is not the case, else we need to give what? Amount equal to amount plus deposit. Okay, how much he is depositing, right? Then update the print statement. Okay, total balance is, okay, I will print amount, right? Then else, else, else break. Okay, so this is the program. Okay, lastly, if the choice is 4, I am not giving anything for 4. You can give, uh, if that again you can check for 4. I am directly exiting from the program. Okay, as that's why I have mentioned break. So if he gives 4, automatically it doesn't match any of the condition above, it will come out, right? So we will see if this works or not. Okay, so yes, without any error it is coming. We will give, okay, initially I will opt for 1. Okay, it will give 1000. See, it is giving 1000. Okay, then I will opt for deposit. Okay, I will use third option. Okay, I will deposit 1000 again. Okay, so see, the total balance is 2000. Okay, and I will withdraw. Okay, I will give second option. I will withdraw. I will withdraw 500. Okay, I will withdraw 500 from my account. So the balance is 1500. It was 2000. Now it is 1500. Okay. Lastly, when I press fourth option, it will come out of the program. So it is working fine. So you can customize the program whichever way you want. So this is a small program, fourth program in your lab cycle. Okay, part A. They have asked ATM transaction. Okay, here is a small program how actually basic ATM transactions works. Okay, thank you so much, guys. We will meet in the next session with one more program. Thank you. Thank you.